In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change footer color in Shopify Dawn theme. We'll do this the clean, reliable way using a tiny bit of custom CSS. No apps, no complex edits, and you can always revert it later. First, make sure you're working on the correct theme. If you like, duplicate your live theme so you have a safe backup before editing. Then, in your Shopify admin, open Online Store, go to Themes, find your Dawn theme, choose Actions, and click Edit Code. This takes you into the code editor where we'll add one short style block. In the left sidebar, open the theme's main CSS file. In Dawn, it's usually under Assets and named base.css. If you see a file with a similar name, that's fine. The important part is that it ends with .sas and loads globally. Open it, scroll to the bottom, and get ready to paste the snippet I'm about to read. Type or paste. Change footer background and text colors. Footer, background, color, E1A. Set footer, background color, FAF. Set default text color in footer. Also update link colors inside footer. Optional. Footer. A. Color. E0. Link color in footer. Footer. A. Hover. Color. Link, hover color. Those hex values are just examples. Replace them with your brand colors if you'd like. A quick tip on accessibility. Keep enough contrast between the background and text so links and headings are easy to read. If your footer contains icons or badges, they'll inherit the text color unless another style overrides them. When you're done, click Save in the top right. Now open your storefront in a new tab. Head to the home page or any page, and scroll to the footer. You should see your new background color, plus the updated text and link styles. If your change doesn't show up right away, refresh the page, try a hard reload, or check that you added the code at the very end of the CSS file so it overrides earlier rules. Also confirm the selector is footer.footer. Dawn uses that structure by default. If your shop uses a highly customized footer, inspect the element in your browser to confirm the class name. That's it. With a single CSS block, you've customized the Dawn footer without touching templates or JSON files. Tweak the colors, adjust hover states, and make it match your brand in minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy building.